Hello everyone! Following on from the global success of our fully automated and class-leading MX-330 PC10 5-axis machine, we asked our customers what improvements could we make, and they said just one thing: make it bigger. So here it is introducing the Matsuura MX-420 PC10. Modeled on the same proven and reliable automation system as the MX-330 PC10 platform, the MX-420 model simply has a larger APC work envelope. The machine has exactly the same dimensions as the MX-330 PC10. The only difference is the larger PC10. To hold bigger work pieces, the MX-420 APC is 500mm larger in width and 400mm larger at the front end than the APC on the MX-330 PC10. Not a lot of extra floor space when considering the extra capacity. The APC is the same concept and design as the MX-330 PC10, with excellent access and operability while offering plenty of space to safely set up 3 pallets even during machining. This is the work envelope of the MX-330 PC10, 330mm in diameter and 300mm in height. And this is the work envelope of the MX-420 PC10. Even though the shape is a little tapered, the MX-420 machine can handle a component up to 420mm diameter and 300mm height. The maximum weight is 80 kg, same as the MX-330 PC10. This larger capacity and capability eliminates a gap in our customer's requirements, and we believe in the wider market too. Also, if you are fond of nested fixtures, this size difference gives you more production options and choices application setups. The MX-420 utilizes the same pallet as the MX-330 and MAM70-35D, so you can also share the same pallet and fixtures between machines. So if you are considering the MX-330 PC10 but are debating whether it has a large enough capacity for your business to grow into, you now have a viable choice from Matsuura to minimally increase your investment and choose a larger MX-420 PC10. If you want to know more about the MX-420 PC10 or any of our other class-leading CNC products, please contact your local distributor. Thank you for watching.